We all love AI, but it lies. LLMs often hallucinate packages names that don't even exist. Hackers are now registering these fake packages and spreading malware, and developers unknowingly install them. Developers copy paste this code blindly. That's exactly why we built Sentinel. It's a real time security auditor. So, I will just show an example. So this URL doesn't exist, but an AI model suggested it. So Sentinel blocks it immediately before any installation happens. So if the README file is not available in this branch, so it will show that readme.md not found in main branch. Now if I scan the URL which exists, since this repository is real, Sentinel proceeds with a full security analysis instead of blocking it. Now let's check for the packages. So if I scan React, so it does exist. So it will show verified, package is verified on the registry. And if I write the scan package which doesn't exist, so it will show that suspiciously similar to React. So this is a risk.
Our package is fake. We don't just check if the package exists. I built a small intelligence engine in our backend that compare packages names. For this, we use a library called Rapid Pulse. It work on the algorithm Levenshtein distance algorithm, which simply check how many letter changes are needed to turn one name into another. Hacker often create packages by changing just one or two letter of popular packages. Our system detect this by calculating a similarity score. After testing, we decided that 85% similarity is the best limit to catch fake packages without blocking real ones. This make our system smarter and more secure.
To handle scans in milliseconds, I architected the backend using Fast API for asynchronous performance. The core challenge was parsing. I wrote a custom regex engine in parser.py that intelligently extracts dependencies, seamlessly handling both Python requirements.txt and Node.js package.json files in a single scan ecosystem.
Security shouldn't be just on a website. Thus, I developed the Sentinel CLI so developers can integrate this directly into their terminal workflow. Now we will be testing two of GitHub's repo links. This link is working and is correct, so the results are on the positive side. Now we will be testing a link which has some glitches in it. As the readme.md file is missing, so it throws an error to us. Now we'll be testing the packages. This scanned the package perfectly and showed us whether there is any suspicious or any malwares in it. Thus, it runs the exact same logic as our dashboard, giving us an instant feedback right where we code. With a React frontend, Fast API backend, and a dedicated CLI, Sentinel is the complete safety net for the AI era. Thank you.